Hello Nanba and Nanbis. Time check. Time is 6:39 now. So what you are watching is a sunrise from Kota Bharu, Pantai Cahaya Bulan. So I'm recording it now, and it look very nice. It look very beautiful. I'm recording in another phone also. The sunrise. Yeah. So let's watch the sunrise first. We are watching the sunrise from Kota Bharu, Pantai Cahaya Bulan. See how beautiful it is. So today day 8 of 15 days challenge. I'm at Pantai Cahaya Bulan, and then from here I need to go to Terengganu, and then I check the maps. From my place to that location is 168 kilometer. I'm like, did I make a huge mistake? Came to East region, because when I check on the maps, by car it will take 3 hours, and then by public transport it will take 15 hours, like almost a day, almost half of the day will finish there. 15 hours to travel to Terengganu. If I walk, that's the worst part. If I walk, it will take 2 days. If I calculate, okay, by walk and then by hitchhiking, I think I won't make it by in one day, in 24 hours. So public transport will take 15 hours. By car is 3 hours. So I don't know which one I need to take now. As I said before, East region going to be a hardest part in this challenge. So day 8. I don't want to spend more time in one state like what I did in the North region. In one state I take 2 to 3 days. So I don't want to do that, because already day 8 I only left 7 days only. Next 7 days I have to go back to where I start, is Breathtaking. So, and then from the 500 ringgit budget, now I only have 198 only. From the 198 ringgit for the next 7 days, I need to cover my food, transport. Yeah, I think food only I need to take care now, because I need the energy for that. I try my best to get at hitchhiking. If no means, I have to depend on the public transport. I already used my golden ticket during my North region travel. From East region, I'm all the way go to Terengganu, then Pahang. From Pahang go to JB. From JB go to Melaka. From Melaka go to Seremban, and then Breathtaking. So Terengganu, Pahang, JB, Melaka, Seremban. Another 5 states I need to go. So I really have to take care of my budget. I can't spend a lot. So today, let me go find some locals here, try to talk with them, and then if I get a chance, I go talk to them, try to talk to them while I go find my breakfast. I go find try to take a breakfast first. From there I try to find people who can help me and also guide me. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. If you watch my videos without subscribe, kindly please kindly please subscribe my channel, Talkie Talk channel. Kindly please subscribe my Talkie Talk channel and follow all my social accounts, which is I provide in description. So guys, I'm trying to ask a ride going to Kampung Kok Pasir. I plan to take a public transport, but meanwhile, in the short distance, I'm trying to ask a ride, hitchhiking, to go to the stations. It's been 30 minutes I'm asking for a ride, but so far no one is stopped. My battery also going to drain, only left 5% now. I hope I can get some ride from here until to the city or until to the KTM stations. Try to find some ride, but didn't get any ride. So I just start walk, then all the way now reaching Dataran Cheng Ho. So you can see Dataran Cheng Ho. Okay, and then from here another 40 minutes for me to reach the bus station. So after I talk to some locals around here, they suggest me not to take a train, just travel by bus. If I take a train means then it will take long hours for me to reach Terengganu. So they suggest me to take bus service, which will be I can reach Terengganu around 5 to 6 hours. So that's why now I didn't follow the Google Maps. I walk straight to the bus station, and then from there I take a ticket to Terengganu. I don't want to waste much time in the same state. I try to travel one state per day. So yesterday I reached Kelantan, and today I travel to Terengganu, and then tomorrow I will travel to Pahang. So only left another 7 days only. So in 7 days I need to cover 5 states with 200 ringgit budget. I need to do some more planning on this. So as you can see here, this is the old route. This is the old route to Pasir Puteh, Machang, Kuala Terengganu. But I'm not going to take left. I'm going to take right, heading to terminal. I'm at the hardest point now. After walk for more than 1 hour, and finally I reached the bus station. And then once I reach here, then only I found all the bus to Terengganu is fully booked. There is no one seat also available. I don't know what to do after this. Blank actually. And then my phone battery also going to drain. Left 2% only. Let me charge all my gadgets first. Then I figured out what to do next. Guys, I just wait for the time, and then suddenly the counter people call me and then say there is one people cannot make it, so you can buy the ticket for the Kuala Terengganu bus. So this is the bus was already here, so they just asked me to get in the bus. So I'm going to get in the bus, and then I didn't charge my phone. I just wait until 2 p.m. just now. So for the waiting, I get a good opportunity to take this bus. I haven't charged my phone, so my phone can stop anytime. Just left 2% only. So once I reach the Kota Terengganu terminal, I will charge and then come back to online again. Bye bye. Finally, I managed to reach Terengganu after a long journey, and now I'm at Terengganu town, city, walking to the beach to set up my tent. Once I reach Terengganu, I managed to charge my phone little bit, like a little bit. I try to manage to charge my phone to do some cover, to do some video before it's get dark. Time check, it's going to be 7 o'clock, and then in a few more hours there will be sunset. This place usually won't be active after 8 o'clock. So after 8 o'clock, as I know, this place will be dark. So for today expenses for the day 4, before I go to bus station, I stop at one place. I took my lunch. It cost me 9 ringgit. And then after that, the bus fare from Kota Bharu to Kota Terengganu, it cost me 17 ringgit. And just now, late dinner, while I charging my phone, it cost me another 9 ringgit. So today itself, I spent 30 ringgit for my meals and for my transport. Now, I'm walking to Pantai Cahaya, which will take me 40 minutes for me to walk to reach that place. And after that, I need to find a place to set up my tent. Also, I need to find a place to fresh up myself. And what's make me to feel satisfied or makes me happy is day 8, I already reached Terengganu state. And I only left 4 more state, which is Pahang, JB, Melaka, Seremban. After the today budget, I think my balance money will be like 170 or 160 something. I need to do some calculation again, but I believe I can complete this challenge before 15 days because I don't want to spend more money for my stay, for my travel, for my food. So I try to do as fast as I can to complete this challenge, which is travel the West Malaysia within 500 ringgit budget challenge. So I hope this challenge I will complete within 500 ringgit and before 15 days. And thank you for supporting me until day 8. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Guys, I wait for this moment to try this food the moment I reach East region, which is I want to try the nasi dagang and nasi kerabu. And then now I got the chance to eat the nasi dagang, which is in front of me now. I know I already took my early dinner, but once I saw this place called nasi dagang, and then I feel like, okay, I have to try this before I end my 15 days challenge. And now I'm going to try this nasi dagang. Finally, I have tried nasi dagang at Terengganu, and the food is really delicious. I thought it will be more different from what I tried before. I thought it will be more different from other foods, but it's like a similar food I have tried before during my young times. My mother cooked before that, but I don't know that is the nasi dagang. But it's really nice, I like it. Actually, I'm not a person who try new dishes. When I really want to try, then only I try. But because for this challenge, and then I travel all the way to Terengganu, and then they say Terengganu best food is nasi dagang. So I want to try, and then I want to do this during this challenge. So it will be like additional activities during my travel, and then it cost me 13 ringgit 80 cent. I think now my money around 150 140 only. So guys, I already reached the beach. So that is the beach where I'm going to set up the tent. I'm finding a place now to set up the tent. The wind over here is slightly strong, so I think it will be hard for me to set up my tent, but I have to. So let's see how this wind stop me